Alright guys, so we will be working on this 2005 Mitsubishi Lancer. This the ES version, and I was basically driving on the freeway, and I don't know where this thing just died on me. Check it out. When I open the ignition, I see all the lights except the check engine light. That's the first thing I noticed. The RPM when died right away. The RPMs and the check engine light disappear. So I open and close ignition, nothing, no check engine light. And even in my scanner, there's no readings of the computer, the ECM. Another thing I noticed is that when I tried to, I'm sorry, I went to check all the fuses, and one of the fuses that says engine control, that one keeps blowing now. Every time I open the ignition, it just pops out automatically. So I know for a fact that that specific fuse basically controls the RPMs, or the crankshaft and camshaft sensor. And look, verify the ignition is on, check if the scan tool is OBD2 connector secure connected. So there's an error. It's not, basically there's no communication with the scanner and my computer. And like I said, no check engine light at all. Disappear. Alright, so basically what I'm thinking here is gonna be a short, because every time I put the fuse it burns. So let's see. Alright guys, so I'm right here at the fuse box, right next to the battery. This is the cover. Now if you pull out the cover, and this is the battery. This is the battery fuse, the main battery fuse, the 60 amps. Then we have the 15 amp for the fog lights. Then for the heated seats. Then for the horn. And then we have the number 8 that has an engine, a picture of an engine. So look how many fuses I tried already. These are 15 amps. You should have a 20 amps, so I've been trying to with the smaller amps, so to make sure I don't damage anything further. So I already tried. I unplugged the cam sensor. I unplugged the cam sensor. I unplugged the camshaft sensor and tried it. I unplugged the O2 sensor and tried it. See, the O2 sensor is unplugged here. I need to plug everything back. It didn't make any difference. Usually when, like if you have a short inside the sensor, as soon as you unplug the camshaft sensor or the camshaft, the short will go away. This is the camshaft sensor here. I even took off this cover because I thought it was the timing belt that went out. I took off the timing belt cover to make sure it wasn't snap, and that was not the issue either. Well, I took that before I realized that I had a short. So I've been looking for a while for this problem, and I'm gonna show you guys what I found. Completely destroyed. There's a harness wire protector, and they were here by the gas tank where you put the gas, underneath, behind the rear tire on the left side. So I was looking underneath for a problem here. This is the canister. I have these wires here. Okay, so looking on the right side, on the left rear, where the canister is at, this red wire is touching the frame on the canister protector, and it's open. So that means it's touching directly to ground, and this is what's causing the short on the fuse. So let's see. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna cover these wires with some electrical tape. I was breaking my head all night. Well, actually, after I got home and I seen that, I thought it was gonna be something here. I didn't even look underneath the car. I just went to bed, relaxed, forget about this problem because I got stranded in the middle of the freeway right before the rain. So it was kind of stressful. Okay, this is just a quick cover just to make sure, just to find out if this is the problem or we have to keep looking further, okay? Let's give it a try with this. Once I find out this was the problem, we'll do a better cover on this. Looks like nothing else is exposed. Oh, you know what? No. There's another wire over here. Yeah, there's another piece here that is chewed out. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit more here. Alright, let's take a look. Alright guys, so before you know what, the short is still there. So you're gonna give it a try. I'm just gonna put the fuse. Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. I already put the fuse. I removed the wire that was touching the chassis, and we'll see right now. Bam! We have the check engine light here. Good sign, it didn't blow. As soon as you open the ignition before, it will burn and the light will go up right away. So let's try it. Whoa, though. Like I said, now it's running. You see the RPMs? RPMs going. And it was everything just because that dog chewed my wires. I had to pay the tow truck. I got stuck in the freeway for no reason. Well, for a burned wire. We got the car running. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys run into this problem, go ahead and text me, put any comments, any questions. I'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Keep subscribe and stay safe.